Meaning of forthright.
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 Forthright. Forthright means being direct and straightforward in speech or action, without any hesitation or ambiguity. It is an adjective that describes someone who speaks their mind honestly and openly, without hiding their true feelings or intentions. This trait is highly valued in many cultures as it fosters trust and authenticity in communication. Being forthright can also help avoid misunderstandings or conflicts that may arise as a result of unclear or indirect communication. Overall, being forthright is a positive attribute that promotes clear and honest communication in both personal and professional relationships.